Hello guys, this is our very first video. Don't worry about the noise. I have just installed OBS and I don't know how to use this software appropriately, so forget about the noise. So let's start our video. Okay, let me tell you about myself. My name is Kulvinder Singh and I have scored 7.5 overall in IELTS and 8 in reading. This is our first video about IELTS reading. In this video, I will tell you about how to crack the IELTS reading test, and I have different methods for the IELTS reading. First is my special method that I use every time, and second is skim and scan method, and there are other various methods. So it's up to you. You can use any method and stick to that one and use that method every time. My method is different. I use that, and I also use skim and scan sometimes. So IELTS reading, as you already know, that it has only 40 questions and three passages. First is first passage could be easy, moderate, or difficult, depends upon the situations. Mostly it is the third passage that is very difficult. So let's start our video. Before starting this, I will tell you my method. My method is just to start from the first passage, read one, two, or three or four line according to my taste, according to the difficulty of text. If the text is much difficult, then I will read only two lines. Okay, and then I will move to the questions. I will grab my questions and then came back to this passage and try to find that if I have had found my answers or not. If I haven't find my answers, then I will just move to next. Okay, don't worry about my speaking because my speaking has a lower score 6.5 because I haven't practiced too much, that's why. So don't worry about that. You can make sure you can surely use this method to get an 8 in IELTS reading. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I will start from the first passage, bats to the rescue, and I will try to find the meaning of that line in my mind, but don't I will not worry too much about that. So I will just read the next line. How Madagascar's bats are helping to save the rainforest, and I just will try to read the next lines because I find that I will not find the answers there in that lines. So next is there are a few places in the world where relations between agriculture and conservation are more strained. Okay, mega forests are being converted to agricultural land at a rate of 1% every year. Okay, much of this destruction is fueled by the cultivation of the country's main staple crop, rice. And a key reason for this destruction is that insect pests are destroying vast quality of what is grown by local sus- subsistence farmers, leading them to clear forests to create new paddy fields. And I have get the gist of this, what the lines are trying to say, and I will not further read because I will confuse myself if I read the whole text. So I will move to the questions. Let's see that if I have questions. Okay, it is like a two below. Okay, it's just two false. That is always difficult for me. So I will try to that. Okay, many mega adaptations forests are being destroyed by the attacks from insects. Oh, okay, I think I have read about the insects, and it says the mega forests are being destroyed means insects are destroying. Huh? Okay, let's see that if the information is there. Information if it's there, then I will mark it true. Okay, don't mark T in actual paper. You can lose your marks. So let's see if I find my answers. Mm, okay. Okay. Forests are being converted to land homes. Much of this destruction is fueled by cultivation of the country's main crop, rice. And the key reason for this destruction is that insect pests are okay. It clearly says that insects are not destroying that, but another thing is destroying it. That is, insect pests are destroying. vast quantities. So see that, I don't think that it is true. It is a false answer because it is done by another thing. Okay. Okay. Next is loss of habitat has badly affected insectivorous bats in Madagascar. Loss of habitat has badly affected. Badly. Mark word, badly is an important word here. Affected insectivorous bats. Okay. The result is devastating habitat and biodiversity loss on island, but not all these species are suffering. In fact, some of the islands insectivorous bats are currently thriving, and this has important implications for farmers and conservationists alike. I think the information is opposite here. Currently thriving, some of the islands insectivorous bats are currently thriving. Okay, it means opposite information is there, so it will also be like yeah, not badly affected, they are thriving. So information contradicts, so it would be false. Okay, I think I should check the answers. My main motive is to just give you an idea about how to find the answers. So let's see that if I have find the correct answers here. So let's move to the answers. Okay, you can clearly see that both are false. So my answer is correct. So I think that's enough for today. I will improve the quality and will post longer videos. You can give me suggestions, can comment about my methods. If you haven't understood my my language, then you can comment, give feedback. So this will be helpful for me as well as you. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.